Good morning, office. So as you may or may not know, we're big Lutron fans, and we have Lutron in our entire office. All of our lights, window coverings, the whole 9 yards. Just kidding, we don't have window coverings, but. So we've got programmable lights. As we come in and out of the office in the morning and the evening, we've got a home and away button so that we can just press that and all the lights will come on or all the lights will go off. The issue that I'm having currently though is that when I leave for an appointment in the middle of the day and people are still working down in the main floor, my office is up here on the 2nd floor. I'm the only one up here, and when I leave I want to turn off all the lights, but there's 4 different light switches up here, and usually when I'm leaving for an appointment I'm leaving in a panic. I'm hustling, I need to get out the door, and I always forget to shut the lights off. Or if I know I'm going to be gone for the rest of the day and I want to get everything turned off, there's not a quick and easy way for me, because as I said, I'm chronically late. But as I was chatting with Greg the other day, he said, well, there's an easy solution for that. Why don't you just install a home and away Pico? What will happen is I'll be able to just press this away button and it's going to turn off all the lights on the upper floor. So here are the 3 items that you'll need. You'll need 1 home and away Pico switch, you'll need 1 Claro 2-gang plate, and you'll need 1 Pico wall plate bracket. The only tools that you'll actually need are a driver. I like my rusty trusty electrician screwdriver, but this is great for putting wall plates on and off. Nobody likes them but me. And these are my favorite plates of all time. This snaps off, it's super clean look. You get it back here, and we're just gonna pop off this screw and this screw holding it to the actual switch. So with all Picos, they've got a little slide on the back here that you could actually tape this to the wall if you wanted to, but my preference is that you take this off, this little piece of plastic. You take this, which is gonna go right here on the wall, and you actually need to break these little pieces off here so that it'll sit flush. Otherwise, if you had a box here, like already had a 2-gang box, it would be fine, you don't need to take that off. But when you're gonna mount it directly to the wall, you just snap these little tabs and it comes out. And then this slides right inside and gives it a nice flush look. Get our Claro plate out, open it up, and go like this. And we'll line this up with the actual switch that's already been set. Set her here like that. So we'll go 1 here. You can see how we've already got it mounted. Then we'll align it for us automatically, and we'll just drive that and throw your cover plate on. And away we go!